Yeah, Bill Henshaw here for the Constitutional Crisis Channel. Kind of a quickie video today. As I've been asked by a friend, what is the point of filing all these documents, especially if, as in my case, you never got a hearing? Which is true. 15 times in 7 months, 13 times in South Carolina, I never got one. With the documents filed, however, my friend and I set the record. And there are no responses in this file. There's a complete, after they filed the void warrant and perjured complaint, there's nothing there on their side. It's all ours. I think we're up to around 27, 28 documents, including letters I sent to the clerk of court who filed those letters as she should have done. There's much more to them, as you'll see. But the point is, you set the record. Now you get into a civil case, even if it's civil rights, quote unquote, which isn't going to happen in my case, and the other side moves to dismiss for failure to state a claim. That's going to get thrown out, their motion, and now you're going to get to proceed with their case, and now they're going to phone you, and you pick up the phone, and they ask you, what do you want? Because the record we've set, they can't possibly want any of the parties that are sued in there in front of a jury, and we ask them the kinds of questions we'll now be able to ask. Why didn't I get a hearing? Did you read the documents? Did you understand them? Where did jurisdiction attach in the underlying case? They can't answer them. This is how we start to beat the bastards. And we get civil settlements, and maybe in some cases, and maybe in mine, I send a person or two to jail for false arrest and imprisonment. With that kind of liability, even if these underlings were ordered to do it by people higher in the food chain, that's going to cease and desist. They're going to say to the superiors, wait a minute, we're not going to do that because we're going to go to jail, and you can't wrongfully terminate me for disobeying an order that would violate the Constitution. This is how things can change. It may not be the only way, but it's going to be the best way. And by the time I get through, hopefully I'm going to have it all in place and show you how to do the same thing. Thank you.